Don't disturb my vibe or I kill yours. 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 Nigga better have his shit up. Nigga for protection. And my hoe can say you hating ass niggas coming her way. I'm buy a necklace. That be the fast life. That be the fast life. We funky nigga problematic. If you niggas mean, my nigga, man, I don't give a damn. Bring the paramedic. I got fashion on the stretcher. I'm a blessing. A special blessing. Call him Hugh Heavy. Hard-headed, never lemon nothing. Hard-headed, other steps, never stepping. Loaded with a weapon. Shoot myself to the top, chopping nicks. Holding on the cannon. Only know one way to roll. That's for sure you gotta rock. Only know one way to rock. And that's for sure you gotta rock. Don't disturb my vibes, or I'll kill you. 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 What these niggas mean though? I don't even care though. I don't give a fuck about these suckers or these squares though. I don't play fair though. Nigga double dare, nigga like me, nigga double up and take it there though. Blah, 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 blah. Fucking in the project, witches everywhere though. Scary nigga like Blair though. Haters wanna stare though. Fair, double dare though. Wigs from my chain, I'ma let you see the glare though. Make sure you get shine, make sure you get shine. Stephen King stuff, yeah, spooky when you shine. Nigga around us, nigga shining like fuck. In the fucking dark, you can't see no other light, bruh. Use my charm for the light, bruh. And my Dutch got a light, bruh. Y'all niggas scared of heist, bruh. So being around, I band to get you fight, bruh. All my niggas say no band. All my niggas say no band. Ain't all my niggas see no bands, and we ain't worried about no outsider, nigga. We all got tools in our hands. Don't disturb my vibes, or I'll kill you. 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 Don't disturb my vibes, or I'll kill yours. It's hot. The cuss on spill, the cuss nigga on chill, the sergeant of the drill.